Headlines: Absence of favoritism can bring positive development, says Minister Jayanta Kumar. Cycling benefits one's health, says Karam Shyam. And Hemant Soren to take oath as CM of Jharkhand. Good afternoon, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Manipur Health Minister L. Jayanta Kumar stated that development comes positively when there are no favoritism and nepotism. He was inaugurating a waiting shed at Khagempally, Moirangpuril within Kaishamthong constituency in Imphal today. Jayanta Kumar further said that the newly constructed waiting shed can be a good recreational site for the local elders. The minister assured that he will execute all necessary development activities as a leader of Kaishamthong constituency and urged that this should not be politicized at all. Jayanta Kumar also appealed for proper use of public property.
Kasama kendra ki development ni Manipur development ni masih lagi berkamu kuti mengalami enjoy tok kita bakal buat ni. Jadi aina NPP dia jawab aina macam ai gang besarnya si saram ni ada Manipur ni aku ini tak atau mina si nabi harus hai buat kerja lagi tiba. So it is meant for the public. Praja gini, ada praja gini na. Aku mian peluk tok biar agam, lain kau tok biar. Lain nama BJP ni, Congress ni, NPP ni, adu lain kau tok biar. Aina adu ini, aina adu work ni kau tok biar. Adu kalau nak aku amat tu, aina as a team. Total lay unit, aku unified tu mungkin body amo, aku aina matu lay ramatong dah. Aku development tu mana saya begini matu moral, pilih macam tu je.
Consumer Affairs, Family and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam today said cycling benefits one's health. He was inaugurating a Velo company's bicycle showroom on Tidim Road near Changangai Airport today. Chairman of TCML, Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Wangoi Constituency MLA O Lukoi and proprietor of Velo bicycles and accessories in Fal, L. Monica were also present at the event. Different bicycles including bicycle worth up to Rs 3 lakh and accessories are available in the showroom. Speaking at the function, Karam Shyam said that riding cycle helps in keeping one's body fit. He added that the newly opened showroom will inspire the younger generation to stay healthy through bicycle riding.
Tungin harol singda adi amna lemba aduga tamjaningai oiba thabak singje tawrakna ba honna ba kanda yamna khumang chauction bang amagani haibagi thajaba lei koi Manipur sarkar gi tarap tagi aduga aisi mantri cyclist ama oina asugi mati encourage tawi asugi mati tobimal khangbo chari aduna Manipur ngasi dia awon ba ahong balamdam ama porangna ba honna ba kanda adi sumba thabak singsina chauwa mai pakpa ma porkane haibagi thajaba du thamjari.
Proprietor L. Monica said that Velo Company is a US-based cycle company and that the showroom will provide good quality cycle to the people of the state.
Velo ki motive ti right for wellness and healthier lifestyle haibane aduna angang naha ahan punamak cycle thauraga hakchang phana leibiu ana haijabani ko aduna akhoi gi ngasai akhoi na ngasi tongan ba servicings mamam su pijadori.
Jharkhand Mukti Morcha leader and Chief Minister designate Hemant Soren will take oath as 11th Chief Minister of Jharkhand at 2 p.m. today. 3 other ministers, one from JMM and another from Congress, will be sworn in along with Hemant Soren. The swearing-in ceremony will be held at 2 p.m. at Morabadi ground in Ranchi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, former President Pranab Mukherjee, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Uddhav Thackeray, Ashok Gehlot, Bhupesh Baghel, Kamal Nath and Arvind Kejriwal, Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi and P. Chidambaram are among prominent leaders who are invited to grace the swearing-in ceremony. Jharkhand caretaker Chief Minister Raghubar Das had earlier said that he will attend the oath-taking ceremony of new Chief Minister Hemant Soren to be held today. Hemant Soren, accompanied by leaders of alliance partners, the Congress and the Rashtriya Janata Dal, stalked claim to form the government in Jharkhand on December 24th. The JMM Congress RJD alliance won the Jharkhand Assembly elections with 47 seats, making JMM the single largest party in the state. The Irang Bridge along with Imphal-Jiribam highway has been repaired by the concerned authority yesterday and normal traffic movement has resumed on the highway. Time for a short commercial break. Coming up next. Congress Party celebrates 96th Foundation Day of Seva Dal. More after the break.
Young what?
Soktabadu Ludi.
Wabdo Kongava Rebalance.
Soktabadu Kongava Rebalance. Rebalance Habadi, electrolytes Amadi energy. Rebalance.
Lagliba December 28 ki January mga fauba Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMT na Sinduna. Churachandpur District ki manung chana lairiba MMI Complex Lamdanda Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival 2019 pangthok charagani. District ki package oina lobi bagi khudong chabasu leijari. Trekking, caving, boat race, rafting, motorboating khaktanatana camping chingba event kaya amasu yaugadawri. Festival asida sarugyanabagidama contact tawbiyo Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association contact number 7005627984 natraga 7005165120.
Admission open for the session 2020-21. Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool, Kawasa Falerak near Nursing Mandir. Facilities available. Digitally smart class, transport facility, fully trained staff, spacious classroom, friendly environment, hygienic midday meal. For more details, please contact Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool. Contact number 70051-31423 or 70051-72365.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singeba loan pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba malangda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adom gi achin ba thu bagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudimaki gari kaya su bandan lawzari. Christmas ki oiba khadaba offer su pizari.
Akupa marol gi damakta lengsin birau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple Natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Havam Diwan Lekai.
Aikoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Laurembam Enterprises Makal Kayagi furniture items Pangbiragani Maruina sofa set, office table amadi chair set, wedding set asinachingmani. Furniture item Malaybada Chada Tara Mangadagi kun fauba discount pijari. Loinana Christmas amadi New Year gidamak akhanaba offer su pijari. Mattress Pambiba Singna Sleep Well Moirang Khomdagi Lobi Biagani. Akupamorol gidamak Lengsin Birau Laurembam Enterprises Kanchipur opposite Manipur University. Akogi contact number 97741-32867 Natraga 8787675251. Mangalam Enterprises. Exclusive and top branded household as well as office furniture items available. Please avail our season offer before first week of January. Offer up to 50% discount. For more details, please visit Mangalam Enterprises, Kaisampat Kaisamlaikai, Imphal.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba taugzari. Ambulance service asina miyam da pizari ba servicing di yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa, hospital dagi yumda puthaba, hospital amadagi hospital amada puba, yumthang nariba state sing da anaba sing puba amadi lauba, loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yarba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari. Adom sunga simak save taushin biu aikhoi gi contact number 920-598-7988 natraga Play Store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Welcome back. Congress Party celebrated the 96th Foundation Day of Sevadal, a unit of Congress Party, today in Congress Bhavan, Imphal. The day is celebrated on the last Sunday of every year. Congress Legislator Party Leader Okram Ibobi expressed disappointment over the failure of a plan to unveil of the statue of Bir Tikendrajit at the event. On the occasion, Ibobi asserted that Congress has taken up several developmental works in remembrance of the martyrs.
Imphal si awang nungpok Bharat ki waina yamna strategy oiba airport ni masi matik sabal lam akoi state government na pi ni at one time more than 500 acres acquired torga Imphal airport si international airport upgrade tawirami ni matamdugi government na Bir Tikendrajit international airport na thonbio na cabinet isel lawrga center da Government of India ki Civil Aviation Ministry da koina thabne hojiki leiriba government sida amu house da puthokna Bir Tikendrajit international airport haidana thonji haidana tawdo house na unanimous resolution am lawrga center da thagre adu hojik phaudi madu yare haibadu official communication haiba tare state government di khangal lakri mane na akoi khanjai adubu matamgi wani sungsoi soidana khangal lakani haiba asa tawya.
Taking part in the observance, President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Murangthim Okain said that the party will work for reviving the Seva Dal and spoke about the contribution of Seva in development activities since its inception. Assam Indigenous People Protection Committee has strongly condemned the arrest of its General Secretary Seram Herajit by police and demanded unconditional release of the committee leader at the earliest. Talking to journalists at the committee office, Rokpur Kachar AIPPC Vice President Imalili Singha said the arrest of Herajit is an act of violating the rights of ethnic minority community.
Bharat Sarkar amadi Assam Sarkar gi mageida hanging badi Handak Herajit pu phajiliba dharna phami amadi mifam phami haiduna piba jadaba ain amagi ek pu hekta maran lei leite khangdana hekta pisanba iho sagatpa mibu hekta asuk chawba maran asi pisanba yabra masi khara kupna khana nainabiraga ek asidagi Herajit pu condition ja yaudana thadok pirakpasi ekoi pami karigumba ek asi gi manung channai Herajit pu awabe pibamda hena luna thamkiba taragadi ekoi gi khongjangsi ekoi leptana changjingani.
On the other hand, AIPPC Information Secretary Okram Lakhikanta Singh questioned the detention of Herajit and said he simply took part in a CAA protest which was staged in a democratic way. Lakhikanta also warned of a series of agitations if the General Secretary is not released soon.
Indigenous issues mayam leise asi amabu sarkar na tauge khotke magi planning da leiba su leite amasung ka ama tauraga illegal Bangladeshi punamak moi se posanna bagi Hindu rashtra amasem na bi wakhalon mayam tauri banina aikoi gi yellow me sing se karmane hingani haibagi amna awaba ama oibagi tawai organization sina andon se tawrakpani asiga Herajit an democratic way da ma da phajan bai basiti akoi amna janingde amasung akoi Supreme Court ana mathu ta dai sakani High Court su sakani bel move tawni aduga akoi gi andolon se chathana adum leigani.
Rotary Club of Imphal, Rotary International District 3240 conducted a two-day teachers training program for school teachers of Zonal Educational Office, Zone 1 and 2, Department of Education, Government of Manipur under Teach program of Rotary India Literacy Mission on December 27 and 28 at Rotary Multi-Service Center, Manipuri, Imphal. Around 100 participants took part in the training. Infal West Commando apprehended an active cadre belonging to the proscribed KYKL on December 27. The apprehended has been identified as Laishram Debinsana Singh, alias Debin, aged 38 years old, son of L. Shyambondhu Singh from Khangabok Lamlong Bazar, Kunau Part 3. Debinsana disclosed that he joined the outfit through his brother L. Imocha, alias Mocha, and collected money from businessmen, private hospitals and offices for party fund. During the arrest, Rs 73,000 in cash was recovered from his possession. He was later handed over to Thobal police station for further legal action. Meanwhile, a combined team of 6 Assam Rifles and Infal East Commando apprehended an active cadre of Naga National Council during counter-insurgency operation near Takil, Kongban, Upakthong on December 27. He has been identified as self-styled Second Lieutenant Dinesh Golmai, aged 35 years, son of Ngathau Pau Golmai from Langol, Lemanai, Infal West. During interrogation, Dinesh revealed that he joined the outfit in 2006 through one Matthew and collected money from vehicles along National Highway 37. The arrested cadre was handed over to Lumfield Police Station. Time for another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Adong Yangangu Wakal Budhi Lausing Tauhanaba Mithoi Mihenba Amadi Punsida Mai Pakpa Masoidan Oinabagidamak Nasimok Langsin Biro Genius Mind Tag Mafam Masida Japan Gi Akhanaba Technology Amagi Matingna Sunday Kuding Bangkok Liba Mid Brain Activation Course Asi Sarugyan View Akhoy Akhanaba Course Singdi DMIT Test ESP LNP Photogenic Memory Quantum Speed Reading Asina Chingmani Course Kuding Maki Chada Chama Guarantee Pijari Akopa Moral Gidama Contact View 98622-87481 Natraga 8787562714 Kogi website www.gmtmanipur.in
Pakhong ama chalake
Chalune
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi
Phau pambi thabiyo
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi
U pambi thabiyo
Chahi chamagi plan di
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo
Icha kaina afaba school haidi
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba school du da adum changne na coaching to honba
Mama paga chamana na warak watimbi ba
Gym aerobic dance football thangta
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su putokhraba
khwaidagi chawba nanba khwaidagi phaba school Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra
Chumme yam khangi ko
Yes only Slopeland Public School Khongjom
Dakshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Dakshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Dakshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Dakshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Tamaban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Lagliba December 23 January mga fauba Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMT na Sinduna. Churachandpur District ki manung chanalairiba MMI Complex Lamdanda Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival 2019 pangthok cheragani. District ki package oina lobi bagi khudong chabusu leijari. Trekking, caving, boat race, rafting, motorboating khaktanatana camping na chingba event kaya amasu yaugadauri. Festival asida sarugyanabagidama contact tawbiyo Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association contact number 7005627984 natraga 7005165120.
Welcome back. Netra Kumbh Manipur organized a one-day free eye camp at Val Vidyalaya Mandir Palace compound in Imphal today. Around 800 elders were treated during the camp. Co-convener Netra Kumbh H. Jadumani said patients will be given spectacles during a mega event to be held in February, while those patients who have cataract problem will be given free operation. This camp will be held in the hill areas of the state in January, he informed.
Mit yengani khangdaba nadi naraga tasengna ai mit nare habisi khangdadana laithok kibadagi maduna maram moidana blindness lakpado madu kharadang orsu control tawba ngamna baina hariba program si pangthok jabani ekoi last Sunday ahum hogre sina last Sunday ni then next ekoi January thada nukkene corner kachin koya changaga khogi chingman mayam singsidai da lairiba ekoi mio singsidai da chalaga ekoi sigi pre camp si avail to hangani loinana ekoi February last week ta mega event amada ekoi anop singsi loin distribute tawjagani.
Tripura has been cleared by the centre to set up a special economic zone in the border town of Sabroom. Sabroom is the southernmost town of the state, sitting on a highway that will connect it to the Bangladesh port city of Chittagong. According to media reports, CM Biplab Dev said Bangladesh held the key to the development and economic growth of India's northeast and not just Tripura, because it has agreed to provide the landlocked region of the sea outlet to connect to the Indian mainland and the rest of the world. He also said that all the projects like withdrawal of Feni River water for providing drinking water to Sabroom town that Tripura wanted has been cleared by Hasina's government in spite of opposition from within her country. 5 people were stabbed north Hanukkah celebration at Rabi's home in Monse, New York late last night, intensifying anti-Semitic violence after a spate of such incidents this week. According to media reports, New York City police officers located the vehicle and possible suspect being sought in connection with the stabbing. Reports also said a man covering his face with a scarf entered Rabbi Rothenberg's shul during a Hanukkah celebration and pulled out a machete before stabbing several people. He is said to have gone after terrified victims as they ran away before fleeing the scene himself. Now we have the sports news. Andy Murray has put his Grand Slam comeback on hold after announcing he will not be playing at the Australian Open next month. According to reports, Tennis Australia issued a statement today saying Murray had withdrawn from the season opening major at Melbourne Park and from the ATP Cup, a new international men's team event which starts next week and will be played in Sydney, Perth and Brisbane. Now the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, CAA 2019 Jana Jagran rally at Kangabok, Biren showers gratitude on Modi, Amit Shah. Planned pro-CAA rally draws flags. Cabinet to discuss ILPS guidelines. Quest for ministry reshuffle still alive. The People's Chronicle. ILP sans parliamentary consent revocable at any time. Manpack convener detained overnight. BJP takes out pro-CAA rally at Kangabok AC. Chopper service expansion, tourism top government menu. Imphal Free Press. Where is democracy if there is no room for protest, says O. Ibobi. MPCC observes 134th Foundation Day of Indian National Congress. Biren ready for debate on Citizenship Amendment Act, Article 14. Manipur Mail. Congress votes to fight against CAA on Foundation Day. Governor celebrates Christmas at Ras Bhavan with children. UDF government open rehabilitation centers, not detention centers, says MK Munir. IED blast in Imphal market.
Now the top news headlines once again. Absence of favoritism can bring positive development, says Minister Jayanta Kumar. Cycling benefits one's health, says Karamsham. And Hemant Soren to take oath as CM of Jharkhand. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.